Hello, we are at the Hammelberg property. We're going to be completing a repairability test. We'll be on this right slope, which is south. We have this damaged shingle. We'll do the repair test on that one, see how it affects all of those surrounding shingles. Give you an overview of all of those surrounding shingles. For my tools, I'll be using a flat bar, roof snake, putty knife, and hammer. And then we have this 45-degree angle tool that I'll go ahead and place underneath the damaged shingle, so that way we have a reference point for what 45 degrees looks like. And then throughout the repair test, we will try to not lift those tabs up any higher than 45 degrees. So there is 45 degrees right there. All right. We'll start with the repairability test. Start by unsealing all of these shingles. We'll use the putty knife to unseal the top shingle. We'll use the flat bar to unseal the rest of the shingles. See if there's any differences in those tools. Now we'll start removing all of these nails. Nail is pretty overdriven, so we can't get that one. Looks like a lot of these nails are overdriven quite a bit. Bought a few of those nails that were all overdriven. So we take that damaged shingle out, try to get the rest of these nails. I think we're gonna be able to get that one. Okay, some of these nails we're just not going to be able to get. They're too overdriven. Show you real quick. See that nail? Can't get the flat bar underneath that. But we got that shingle out. So go ahead and simulate a repair. Do that, we'll slide that damaged shingle out, which we've done already. And then we'll go ahead and slide it back in. Doing all the same motions, manipulating the shingles the same way you would for an actual repair. So that should give us the most accurate results as to whether or not this roof is repairable. Start getting some nails back in there now, using the roof snake for that.